We're over here in Castleberry today working on a nice big A-frame rescreen here. Going to get started shortly, ripping the screen out. We're going to change out this downspout here and put an oversized downspout in, 4x5. This is a 2x3. So we're going to change that out so this gutter can flow better. We're going to be changing out this downspout as well. I'm going to put a 4x5 downspout here, kicking out that way towards the outside there, so this can get more flow because this is just a small 2x3. We're going to put a 4x5. So here's a view from the outside front wall, looking across the top here. It's about 1,600 square foot top. Goes down on the other side. We're going to get ready to strip all the screen out, get ready to cut everything. We sealed all this. We added the metal in here. We sealed it all in and then screened it so no leaves will get blocked up in there. And the same goes with this right here. We blocked that all in and sealed it. We added the extra oversized downspout here, a 4x5. We added the oversized downspout to this 5-inch gutter here so more water can flow out. So all this side of the roof here will come down and drain out this side here. And then we got all new screens put in. It's an extremely long riser panel here, angle panel. Turned out really nice. Everything's sealed up nicely.